तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्.
Today I, Shivanya Pandey of 3rd E is here to conduct assembly on National Energy Conservation Day. This day is celebrated on 14 December since 1991. The objective to celebrate this day is to drive mass awareness about importance of energy conservation. Thank you.
Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's need, but not every man's greed.
Introduction. Every year the National Energy Conservation Day is celebrated using a particular theme. And this year the theme for the day is Conserve Energy, Save the Future. The goal is to promote the importance of saving energy and do it in a way that leads towards less wasteful use. Hope that you all will save energy at your own level. Very happy National Energy Conservation Day to all of you. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Sunny of 3rd E, class 3rd E. I am here to tell you about meaning of energy conservation. Any activity that leads to use of less energy is referred to as energy conservation. Conserving energy maybe as simple as turning off the lights and leaving the room and recycling aluminum cans. It differs from the word energy efficiency, which refers to use technology that uses less energy to accomplish is the same task. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning, my dear friends. My name is Piyush Tiwari. Today I am going to speak about energy sources. People strive to live and work in present AC area with comfortable thing returns in rays of energy used to reduce energy demand. A method of saving energy at home and office is required. Let us talk about versus energy sources. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Petrol. People use me to run their vehicles efficiently, but I am decreasing in amount due to the excess use of me. Please use public transport and try to save me. I will be thankful to you.
Hello everyone, I am Sun. I have ample amount of energy which you can utilize till else. So wherever possible, reduce the use of exhaustible source of energy and convert my energy into electricity. I will be highly thankful to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, I am a bulb. Kindly switch me off whenever you don't require the use of me. In this way, your electricity will be saved and my energy will be not wasted. I will be highly thankful to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, I am water. Flow of milk in river controlled under dams can be used to prepare electricity in high amount, which provides good source of energy to everyone. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Chokra. Today I am going to recite a poem on Energy Conservation Day. Everyone use energy, including me and you, but its conservation is important towards the need of artificial light when it's daytime. Why don't we use the sun energy as it don't